welcome. In just the next few minutes, we are going to make your mornings just a little bit more English. We're going to walk through 10 super simple phrases for your daily routine. Think of it like this. This is your first, easy step to speaking with way more confidence.
All right, so here's the thing. Confidence, it's all about practice. And that's exactly what we're going to do, together, one easy phrase at a time. So are you ready to start your day in English? Let's do this.
Okay, first things first. Every great day starts the second you wake up, right? So let's start right there, with the very first words you're going to use when you open your eyes.
And our first phrase, it's a classic and for a really good reason. Listen close. Good morning. See? So simple, so friendly. Now your turn. Say it out loud with me. Good morning. This is so much more than just a greeting. It's really about setting a positive vibe for the whole day. Doesn't matter if you're saying it to your family, your roommate, it just works. Okay, let's try one that's a little bit longer. Really listen for the natural rhythm here. Wake up, it's time to start your day. Let's say it together so you can really get that flow. Ready? Wake up, it's time to start your day. I love this one. It's just such a kind, encouraging phrase, isn't it? Instead of just shouting, wake up, this version is so much more gentle and motivating. It's a really wonderful way to help someone else get their day going.
Excellent work on those first two. Seriously, great job. All right, let's move on to the next part of the routine, getting yourself ready for the day.
Okay, next up we've got a simple but absolutely essential one. Brush your teeth. So clear, so direct. Come on, give it a try. Say it. Brush your teeth.
And what's so great about this phrase is just how useful it is. You can say it to yourself, kind of as a reminder, or use it as a little gentle nudge for your kids. It is an absolute must-have for your morning vocabulary.
Nice. You're getting the hang of this. Okay, here's another easy and important one. Take a shower. See? So clear, so simple. Let's say it together. Take a shower.
Do you see what's happening here? You're actually building a whole conversation for your morning. We started with waking up, then brushing your teeth, and now this. You're literally describing your entire routine in English.
Okay, let's switch gears a bit. We're going to move from commands to questions now, because questions, that's how you start a real conversation. Now listen to how my voice goes up just a little bit at the end. What will you have for breakfast? This is just a fantastic way to get a conversation going. You can use it to connect with your family over breakfast, that first meal of the day. It really shows you're interested and it invites them to talk back.
You are doing so great. Can you believe we're already halfway there? Let's keep this energy going as we head into the final part of our morning routine.
All right, it's go time. That final rush before leaving the house. Now we're going to learn the phrases you absolutely need right before you head out the door. Things are about to get a little more energetic here.
We've all been there, right? That feeling. So let's learn how to say it. I am getting late. Now try to put a little bit of that rush in your voice when you say it. Go on. I am getting late.
This phrase is just so practical. It perfectly communicates that feeling of being rushed. It's like a signal to everyone around you that, hey, it's time to speed things up a little.
And here's the perfect follow-up to that. Let's practice this one with some real energy. It's short, it's powerful. Hurry up. Come on, give it a shot. Hurry up.
It's kind of amazing, isn't it? How just two little words can create such a sense of urgency. You can use this to get someone else moving, or hey, even just to give yourself that final push out the door. Oh, and now for the classic morning panic. We've got to practice the phrases for when you just can't find something. First up, where are my clothes? Hear how the question goes up at the end? Your turn. Okay. Now for the next one, which, let's be honest, is probably even more common these days. I can't find my phone. Come on, say it like you really mean it. Feel that panic. I can't find my phone. And finally, the one phrase to get everybody moving. It's so positive, it's all about action. Let's go. Let's say it with some energy. Come on. Let's go. And just like that, you did it. Your morning mission is complete. That was awesome. Let's do a super quick review and just look at everything you've accomplished in only a few minutes.
Just look at all this. In a matter of minutes, you've practiced phrases for waking up, for getting ready, and even for handling that crazy last-minute rush out the door. That is just fantastic work.
So there you have it. That's 10 powerful, super practical new phrases added to your English toolkit. Right now, today, you now have the actual words to navigate your entire morning routine with so much more confidence.
So what's the most important thing now? Practice. That's it. Just try using 1 or 2 of these tomorrow morning. Make them real. Make them yours. You've taken the very first step to owning your morning in English. So what are you going to conquer next? Your journey is really just beginning.